Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Have you ever sent an email in Gmail and instantly wished you could take it back? Maybe you spotted a glaring typo, forgot to attach that important file, or realized you sent it to the wrong person. Well, you're in luck. In 2025, Gmail's recall feature has been updated to make it even simpler and more reliable. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to recall sent mail, so you can save yourself from those embarrassing moments. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to ensure the Undo Send feature is enabled in your Gmail settings. Open Gmail on your web browser and click on the gear icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. Now, head over to the General tab. Scroll down until you find the Undo Send section. Here, you'll see an option to enable it and choose how long you have to undo. Options range from 5 to 30 seconds. Make sure it's turned on and save your changes at the bottom of the page. Once that's set up, the next time you compose and send an email, keep an eye out for the yellow banner that pops up at the bottom of your screen right after hitting send. This banner will say something like, "Your message has been sent," and include an Undo button. If you realize your mistake, quickly click that Undo button within the time limit you set. Poof! Your email is pulled back, and you're taken back to the Compose window to make edits. But remember, this feature isn't foolproof. It only works if you act fast, and it might not retract emails that have already been delivered, especially if the recipient has a slow connection. Always double-check your emails before sending to avoid issues altogether. There you have it. With these simple steps, you can recall sent mail in Gmail and keep your communications mistake-free. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.